Hi and have a good day everyone. But first I wanna introduce myself. This is Ranjana Singh and I'm in 10th grade this year. And the thing that I choose for my speech is Atmanirbhar Bharat, or we can call this as a self-reliant Bharat. Self-reliant means that no one should depend on others for their success in life. In other words, we can also say that we should not take help from others to run our livelihood. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, of making India a self-reliant nation. The first mention of this came in the form of Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan or Self-Reliant India Mission during the announcement of the coronavirus pandemic related economic package on 12th May 2020. This Atmanirbhar Bharat policy doesn't aim to be protectionist in nature, and as the finance minister clarified, self-reliant India doesn't mean cutting off from rest of the world. The law and IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said that self-reliance does not mean isolating away from the world. Foreign direct invest is welcome. Technology is welcome. Self-reliant India translates to being a bigger and more important part of the global economy. Being self-reliant is the greatest quality of a human being or any country. If a person or country will be self-dependent in itself, it will not need to seek the help of others, or nor will it ever depend on others. Being self-reliant is the best quality for both the individual and the country. And our country India is very prosperous country. Even in a severe pandemic like coronavirus and many more, our country didn't ask for help from any of the countries during the lockdown. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan Yojana given benefits to all workers, farmers, traders, etc. who have suffered loss due to lockdown. Self-reliance, whether individual or country, is a great quality for everyone. And as we know that our country India is a rich country in terms of resources, and it is so capable that it can produce everything on its own. All it needs is willpower and efficiency. There is no shortage of skilled people in our country. Self-sufficiency means that our country should be self-sufficient in every field. Everything can be made our country, from needle to plane, and we don't have to depend on the outside countries. Self-sufficiency has many benefits. This strengthens the country's economy. Industries are encouraged because of making every item in their own country. More and more industries take place. It leads to increase in employment. The economy gets stronger as the country's money stays in the country. Export increases instead of imports. This also increases foreign exchange reserves. The crisis of the coronavirus pandemic has given our country an opportunity to become self-reliant in every sphere of life, so that our country's economy becomes more and more strong and we do not depend on any country in any sphere of life. There is no shortage of skilled youth in our country, but there is enthusiasm is needed. If this happens, then our country can also become self-sufficient. The focal point of the concept is to make the nation self-reliant with more focus on local manufacturers and service providers. This will strengthen the economy, improve the standard of living, and most importantly, improve the trade deficit and the exchequer balance of the country, making the country self-reliant in all spheres, from manufacturing to supplying. It will help the country to reduce its dependence on imports and may also give a boost to exports. We have to become a self-reliant and then be able to make our own decisions and which isn't completely independent. But in the race to become self-sufficient, we also have to take care of some things. Like before starting any industry, it is necessary to understand the impact it has on the environment. It has been observed that the country which starts progressing compromises with the protection of the environment. Along with the industrial sector of our country, we also have to follow environment friendly policies. Thank you.